install the commercial ice maker water gắn vô đây. Install it, so go through the filter, so the line go through here, come in here and go this way and go through here and go to the ice maker. This is for ice and water. It's keeping cold, commercial, and we're gonna put it right there at the end when it's all done. Plug into the wall. This is temporary only, and this is how the commercial ice maker look like. And these are the drainage, which later on we need to build the drainage, basically three-fourth PEX pipe. And this is temporary only. This is where they drain the water. Obviously we're gonna drain into the drainage right there. And the water that connects to the filter is come through here, underneath the sink, right there. That blue area that go through here and go into the filter. Just underneath the sink, that's a cold water, so it won't affect it. In the winter, we can shut this off right there because we don't need the ice maker anymore. It won't affect washing hands and things like that. And right below the sink is the drain. Later on, these two pipes here will be connect down the drain. Probably do a T, connect both of them together like a T. And a single pipe coming out, connect them together. Single pipe go down this way, go down to the drain. Temporary, I put the trash can where to collect the water. You can see there's some water drain, and the water gonna go through. The water will drain to that sink area, which is perfect. So this is a temporary setup with electric filter water go inside the machine, and the only job left is to connect those two pipes together to drain them three-quarter pipe, PEX pipe, and the water go up to the white, go through, which is perfect. And then let's see the ice coming out. Ready? The ice. Ooh, we get ice. Ooh, we get ice. There you go. We get ice. Ice coming out. And I just plugged this in like maybe 15-20 minutes ago and make pretty quick ice, which is perfect right there. See that? And here's the water. Here's the cold water, okay? Ice. There you go. So, there you go. Ice coming through. And then this one is perfect. It have this fitting that connect to 1/4 compression fitting going through, so the water coming through, filter, clean, and from there go inside the ice maker right there. And you see it drain a little bit right there, some water draining out. That's perfect. I'm gonna drain to the pipe, and basically I'm gonna put it here, plug into the wall, and there you go. That's how the ice look like. Looks pretty good. All right. Okay. So this is the quality of the ice. Okay, from the water. Okay. And coming out pretty fast. Machine, we make ice, beautiful. That's the drain right there. So the water drain down there, so which is perfect.